Does range 5 give us 1 through 5 or 0 through 4? Let's solve this mystery. We're diving deep into the range function. We'll understand how it creates numbers, master the stop sign concept, choose great variable names, and debug common mistakes. Think of range as Python's number factory. You give it instructions and it creates exactly the numbers you need for your loop to work through. It's like setting up beads on a string. Let's see range 5 in action. When we print each number, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5 numbers total, but notice, no 5. Here's the key concept. Think of the number in range as a stop sign. Range 5 means start at 0 and stop before you reach 5. The boxes show 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then a big stop sign before 5. This trips up everyone at first. Range 5 does not include 5. It creates 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the stop sign rule. You stop before reaching the number. Let's see more examples. Range 3 creates 0, 1, and 2. Range 10 creates 0 through 9. Range 100 creates 0 through 99. See the pattern? Why do we start at 0? Computer scientists count from 0 because it makes math easier for computers. It's like calling the ground floor 0 and the first floor 1. Here's a fun practical example. A rocket countdown. We use the range numbers to create a countdown sequence. Watch how we turn 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See how beautiful that works? We transform the range numbers into a perfect countdown sequence. Here's a pro tip. Use descriptive variable names like day or count instead of just I when it makes your code clearer. Here's another pro tip about variable names. Use I, J, K for simple counting. Use num or count when working with numbers. Use descriptive names like day or month when the number represents something specific. Time to test our range skills. Look at this code. What numbers will it print? Think about what range 4 creates, then what happens when we multiply each by 2. The answer is 0, 2, 4, 6. Range 4 creates 0, 1, 2, 3, and we multiply each by 2. Perfect. Incredible work. Range is Python's number generator. The stop sign rule means it stops before the number. It always starts at 0, and we choose descriptive variable names. You've mastered range like a pro.